But keep in mind that brewing coffee the non-instant way is an amazing experience, and it just feels so much more richer, just from a experience point of view, because you have the entire process of, let's say you have the beans already ground.
Yeah.
So depending on what kind of apparatus you're using, and people go batshit crazy, right? It's not just the regular French press.
Yeah, yeah.
There
yeah.
are things like Chemex, there are things like nitrogen brew,
Huh.
there are things like mocha pot,
What the?
right?
What
Right?
is all this?
So there are like at least 15 to 20 type of variants that I know of that people use around the world
Yeah.
to brew their bean water,
Fair.
right?
Okay.
In India we have
I mean.
the most widely used is the filter coffee. So we have something called the
Oh,
percolator.
but filter coffee is.
Do you
is
know why
amazing.
filter
It's
coffee tastes
amazing.
amazing? Most people don't know this, but filter coffee tastes amazing because of a, I forgot the word.
Wow.
Such a nice
You're gonna give
build up.
me, yeah, you built it up like, why it's amazing.
No,
And
so
then
filter coffee tastes great because of an adulterant that's added called shikari.
Oh, okay.
So, now what shikari really is back when the world wasn't as rich and coffee became expensive post the wars,
Huh.
people wanted coffee but couldn't afford it.
Right.
So they discovered a plant whose name was shikari.
Uh-huh.
Hello, I'm shikari.
Hello, Shikari. I'm.
Yeah, monocle and a hat.
I'm gonna
and
kill you
everything.
today and make you into coffee.
Thanks, kind man.
Yeah.
So they found this plant called shikari, which, jiska root, the root of which, when powdered,
Mhm.
tasted very similar to coffee.
Oh, okay.
So,
So
they
it was like
used,
an alternative to the same
yes.
thing. Right.
So coffee was cut with shikari in equal parts, or often more shikari
So
than coffee.
to make it more accessible
Yes,
to the people.
exactly.
Right.
But what happened is over the years, as people could afford coffee,
Uh-huh.
they sort of stayed rooted and grounded to that taste of shikari. And that's why still Indian filter coffee, do this guys. If you're ever buying coffee, take the packet, if it's ready packet on the shelf of
Mhm.
your DMart or Food Bazaar or
Yeah.
wherever, flip it around and please make it a habit to read the ingredients. So a filter
okay.
coffee is usually, the ingredients will be coffee powder, comma, shikari. Right? And shikari is usually mixed in a ratio of 20 with a ratio of 80 for coffee. So 80%
okay.
coffee,
That's interesting.
20% shikari is like the standard mix.
So this is like generally there in all coffees
Generally
right now.
in all filter coffees.
All filter coffees.
Which is the Indian way of, South Indian filter coffee is like the Indian way of
It has a
having
good
coffee.
history behind it, though. You
It
can
has a
kind of
good
see why it came
Right.
about and why it
Yeah.
went into the coffee.
right, and it's
how it
interesting
became
that
a thing.
it's still stuck.
Yeah.
So in India we have like the filter coffee percolator.
I think people develop that taste within themselves.
Correct.
Like, okay, yeah, this tastes nice.
This
Why
tastes
not have
nice,
this?
why not have it?
Yeah.
Plus, like the thing with coffee is that at least in India, usually coffee is not had black for the most part. You sort of have
yeah.
add some sort of
It's
creamer
rare
to
to
it,
find people
which is usually
who-
dairy, right? And so it's going to probably be like
Yeah.
10% water and 10% espresso
Yeah.
of whatever the percolated amount comes out, and 90% full cream milk.
Yeah, I mean, again, for me, even though because of my diet, I've not been really having cream milk.
Yeah.
I'll still have like
Dude's dieting.
the what's it
Skim
called?
milk.
2% skim milk
2%
and
skim milk.
all those kind of things put
So
into
he's
my
just
coffee
paying
because
for
I can't.
white water.
Yeah, I'm having white. I'm basically putting more water into already.
Because in
black
case you
coffee.
guys didn't know, milk is already like 90% water.
Oh yeah. I mean, what? That's a whole other discussion to have at
Yeah.
some point.
Dairy
But-
is evil.
Dairy is not evil, man. Dairy is. I mean, ice cream ke bina.
Oh yeah, that makes me take back
I
my
can't live
words.
without it. That's the second thing, guys. I can't live without ice cream either.
We could freaking do an entire thing on ice cream.
Yeah. Oh, that would be fun.
Nice.
We'll have ice creams while doing it. You guys can join us in that
Yeah.
at some point.
I mean, it'd be crazy if you guys are right now having some coffee. Because guess what? We're just about to brew some coffee of our own. Right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, it'll be
Right?
a really
So you're
fun
gonna
time
hear
to do
like
it.
the entire pot of coffee. So it's so the apparatus I have over here is essentially like a 40-year-old family heirloom family heirloom that's being passed on from my forefathers to my father and now to me. We basically just polish it year on year to like make it look nice, but inside it's
But that's
really
such a cool thing
old
to have,
and
right?
shriveled,
Like
right?
an
Yeah.
heirloom for coffee.
right
That's
so
cool.
so basically for the past 40 years there's been coffee made in this device. We wash it, of course. But yeah. So I mean,
I can't wait to smell the coffee.
yeah.
Man.
So to understand this apparatus a little more, think of it as a cross between a French press and a French press meets a mocha pot meets a drip coffee, right? A pour over.
Also,
Right.
what I feel underrated is the smell of coffee.
Oh my
like,
God.
I don't know how people don't appreciate it
Dude,
enough, dude.
like you enter like an air conditioned cafe and that coffee smell just
dude. I think
mixed.
it's one of the best things out
Right,
there.
right now I'm just
man.
opening my little this airtight container of coffee and we're just gonna take a whiff of the powder and those are angels singing, by the way.
It has such a nice aroma to it in
Oh my
general.
God.
It feels like
So
it,
good.
It has a really earthy tone to it.
Yeah.
To be honest, like this one really gives off that earthy tone.
And it helps that it looks like soil, so quite
You know what?
literally.
Yeah, coincidentally,
It
does.
looks like soil. Now the interesting part over here is that the coffee we have is like I was saying earlier. It's from this brand called Landover Coffee, and I sort of got hold of their limited Christmas blend that they had, which is a medium roast Arabica coffee. Okay, guys, there are two types of coffee beans, right? Arabica, Robusta. I'm not gonna get into the details, but Arabica is widely used around the world because the crop is generally more resistant to weather fluctuations. Robusta, though, has about 3% more caffeine than Arabica.
Oh, that's interesting to know.
So these guys use Arabica, Lando coffee, and their Christmas blend is actually a concoction of Arabica coffee that's sort of roasted medium, and it's been added with orange peels, cinnamon, and like a hint of rum flavoring.
Oh wow! So we're gonna get drunk, huh?
We're gonna get drunk. So if you can smell it again, tell me if you get the cinnamon and the orange peel. It's okay if you don't.
I think
His
I get the
entire
cinnamon.
nose is
more.
gone in the coffee powder.
I think I get the cinnamon really
Right,
well.
cinnamon
because
is-
cinnamon is really strong in it. But
Do you know the synonym of
I
cinnamon?
can't catch the orange peel as pronounced in general.
Is it the synonym or the cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
The synonym of the cinnamon or the cinnamon of the synonym?
You messed it up right now, Asad.
Okay, yeah, the whole synonym of the synonym, but okay.
But let's-
So
let's
right
get
now what
to
I'm doing is I have the apparatus ready. I've put the little filter inside the pot,
Yeah.
and I'm just adding like heaped teaspoons of coffee. So basically doing around 3 teaspoons, which works out to roughly about 6 to 9 grams of coffee. Usually you can go up to 14 grams of coffee for like a single shot of espresso. I mean, I would recommend that you start measuring how much you're using just so that you have reference points, you know, like sometimes brew 3 grams of coffee, sometimes brew like 6, sometimes 9.
Yeah.
That way you know, like, you know, how it tastes each time. Of course, you got to keep all the other variables sort of together. But yeah, so all the coffee powder is gone in, and now you have sort of like this small little cap that you can put on the filter, which sort of shields the coffee powder from me directly pouring the hot water over it. Right? It takes about a while to brew.
why do we need to shield it?
We need to shield it because the coffee beans that are granulated are usually very sensitive. Oh, they have feelings. they're very delicate and sensitive, and you want like a very slow release of flavors happening.
Right.
So if you directly put the water up, you know, up top, you might, because basically the filter is, to make you also understand, the filter is like a lot of tiny little holes. So water is going to sort of surround the coffee powder and drip down into the container below. So we want the water not to just completely go down.
Submerge it into
right?
that water, but
So-
rather than that, like have
Yeah.
it a slow
Right.
kind of build
Right
up.
now I'm going to pour the water, and you sort of use the pour over method for pouring water, which is sort of you go around instead of just pouring it directly. And
You can see the water turning, darker and darker as you keep pouring more and more
Yeah, right.
into it.
and sort of you fill the cup and you go up to the top, and then there's like a small lid that you just shut, and you let all that magic happen inside the hood. So like the lid's firmly shut. I really don't know why, but I'm just sort of parroting this to you. A lot of baristas recommend that the water be a little below 100 degrees Celsius. when you put it in the coffee.
Right.
So it's boiling, but it's not exactly 100 degrees. So just before
I
steam.
hope we have
Yeah.
less than that because we also don't know. if
Yeah,
it
no,
is-
I think we're just noobing it.
Yeah, we are just moving it around.
But yeah, water had steam coming, to garam hai.
Oh,
is
but
all
I can
we
start.
need.
It's that smell is starting
Right?
to come.
It's got
and
a
oh my
freaking
god!
powerful
If
aroma.
you guys could be here with us,
I
I'm not
know.
even kidding. I think you would enjoy this particular. If you are truly a coffee
Yeah,
person,
I mean, really, go
I mean,
hard,
even
man.
if you aren't and you do like these kind of smells,
Yeah.
I would really would say. Like,
Seriously,
it's really
pause
nice.
this, go out, brew your coffee. Let it be a Nescafe,
you-
a brew,
I mean,
or
have a
whatever.
coffee with us, guys.
Have a
It's
coffee
gonna
with
be
us,
fun.
right? Because anyways, this entire thing is about three friends chilling. You
And if you don't wanna,
me
like, we
and
aren't gonna
you.
force you. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's just that
I can say you go have coffee.
recommendation from our side.
गए नहीं ना अभी तक.
हाँ,
ऐसा
पता
ना,
नहीं अभी.
दिखता है इधर podcast-
Give you a moment. We can pause it right
Podcast
now. and
analytics
just, you
में
know,
दिख रहा है कि तुम गए
make
नहीं
that
हो.
coffee and come back.
हाँ, go. Go nicely go.
हो
Go.
गया अभी बस ओके आ गए हो.
No pressure, ना, but no
हाँ,
pressure.
no pressure.
So we're gonna give this coffee like about I think 5 minutes to brew. At the same time, another note is that we're gonna have this without sugar or without milk.
Yeah. We
So-
aren't adding anything into this particular blend.
Because you gotta be like fair to the coffee and judge it on its own merit. Right? I'm just putting my finger in the coffee powder bowl and licking it.
I
So.
wanna see, is there any flavor here?
Yeah. I have like this burst of cinnamon orange peel happening inside my mouth.
Oh my god! I got it.
Yeah,
I
so
got it.
like imagine like you're eating a Christmas cake. Now just that the Christmas cake is coffee.
The cinnamon is really strong,
Right?
dude.
Cinnamon
It's
is a-
really strong.
So like just a side note, I also create
Oh, but
fragrances.
I can genuinely get the orange.
You can?
Like when I put it in my mouth,
Mhm.
like that's when I get
You
the
get it,
orange.
right?
I couldn't smell it before.
Yeah.
It was I mean my nose isn't really like that sensitive because he was just about to mention it.
Yeah, I create fragrances. So cinnamon as
Yeah.
an ingredient is something you have to.
Z really does want to become a perfumer.
Yes,
so,
ZZ scenes like.
ZZ scenes.
I'm a self-taught perfumer, and cinnamon is a pretty powerful ingredient. So you gotta microdose it really, and I'm sure these guys have microdosed it too. But like the effect is like sometimes you could just use a little of something and still have a lot
Yeah.
of the taste coming through, and which is what's happening. I don't really get the rum a lot. I don't know. Do you want to add rum?
Let's
Like, side
we
note-
can just stop the podcast and buy some rum.
Yeah,
and come
side note to
back, right?
Landor coffee. आपने enough नहीं डाला था,
हाँ,
तो हमने थोड़ा और डाल दिया
हाँ,
है.
हम लोगों के लिए बहुत कम था ये.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Old Monk लेके आते हैं.
PFA,
Again,
rum.
not sponsored.
Not spot.
Not sponsored.
इतना सस्ता है रे, Old Monk कोई क्यों sponsor करेगा?
अरे, but
सब
Old
22
Monk,
रुपए
Old
में
Monk is Old Monk.
Phenyl is
man.
more expensive.
No, but Old Monk is Old Monk.
Old Monk is-
Old Monk has always been there, my
Yeah,
friend.
I don't like it anymore. I started drinking with Old Monk. I quit drinking for a long.
You, my friend, have lost the
Yeah.
faith in
I
our
used to
own-
be so invested in Old Monk. Like it's the best shit since like.
But again, like I
Sliced
haven't had a drink in like
Yeah, his
months
drink.
and months. My
Yeah.
diet doesn't allow it.
Yeah.
But I would say that Old Monk is not something I hate per se. I like
Yeah.
it. So
नहीं यार मतलब बहुत गंदा हैंगओवर देता है. Plus like old guys, do you know what's the ingredient for Old Monk? It's basically just fermented sugarcane juice. Like
भारतीय
full
भारतीय flavoring.
हाँ शक्कर भरा पड़ा है guys मतलब.
No, but I honestly like even in coffee, I don't know. Irish coffee is rather a different
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of strong rum and strong. Is it rum or
Irish
what-
coffee is so you have Bailey's Irish cream,
Yeah.
which people sort of that is basically Irish whiskey with
Uh-huh.
actual like malai, like dairy cream added to
Oh,
it,
wow.
but in
That
like a
would be
patented recipe where it doesn't curdle.
Oh,
So
okay.
a lot of people around the world like to put in some
I've never personally tasted an Irish
Bailey's
coffee,
in their
so-
coffee, which is where it started. It's supposed to be very lethal for your health actually.
Yeah.
But if you were concerned, you'd not be even drinking in
Yeah.
the first place.
To be fair, yeah. So I mean, if we really were concerned, we
I
wouldn't
can't wait, coffee.
drink alcohol at all.
Brew fast.
You know.
Is there a spell for brewing coffee faster?
Let's. We need to check the Harry Potter books again.
Expelli fastest. Faster. Okay, by the way, huge Harry Potter fans.
Oh yeah. I mean, Potterheads.
Childhood
for life.
equal. I got myself sorted. I'm a Ravenclaw.
I got sorted into. Okay, so I had it done twice for me.
Ooh.
And actually technically now I've taken it thrice, but the first time I ever tried this test out, I ended up being a Gryffindor, Which
Okay.
I was like, oh
Which
wow.
is secretly na everybody wants to be a
Everybody,
Gryffindor,
because
huh?
again, that
Yeah.
you've grown up reading of three like
Gryffindor
golden
is,
trio
is
being
like
in the
the
Gryffindor
Starbucks
house.
of houses.
But fair enough. That was the first time I ever made
Sabko
an account
chahiye.
and I tried it and I became I was a Gryffindor according to that. The second time I made an account, I was like, okay, might as well, like, you know, on Pottermore, I'll try it out. And I gave the test and I turned out to be a Hufflepuff.
Oh.
And I was like, huh. The first Hufflepuff is I mean, I can see myself being a Hufflepuff because I feel like I am that personality type.
Huffy
of,
boy.
Hufflepuff is a very, I don't know, they like
Cedric है ना तू मतलब बस.
Cedric को छोड़, they are very happy people in general.
ऐसा
I'd say.
उतना भाव नहीं देते हैं और Hufflepuff को.
That
Like the
is-
books
no,
don't
dude,
give a lot of spotlight
Newt
to-
Scamander was Hufflepuff. Tonks was Hufflepuff. Cedric was Hufflepuff.
Like, but-
there are many people in
but you-
Hufflepuff. They're one of the biggest. Like, so Hufflepuff is a good house. It's just not given
I don't
enough
know.
importance in the books.
Yeah.
But I would. And the third time I took the test, I ended up being a Hufflepuff again. So
Again.
I am a
So
tried
he's
and true
decided.
Hufflepuff. I am a Hufflepuff. I'm proud to be a
सही है.
Hufflepuff. And if anybody disses the puffs, guys, I won't
Cream
like,
puff,
take it.
onion puff,
अरे,
paneer puff.
सभी अच्छा होता है but no Hufflepuff
Hufflepuff.
is something I've like you know truly it's in my heart and I'm not gonna leave it behind.
Yeah. So yeah, we couldn't find a spell for making the brewing faster. So we just added some awkward conversations in the middle. But yeah,
This is conversation I can have all day.
all day
because
long.
Harry Potter is great.
But yeah, guys, the coffee is brewing, and so I'm not inside the pot, but if I was, all I could like paint a picture is that just imagine all these like granulated small little beans just swimming around like free floating, and all the waters like around them, and like a little bit of them is just slowly dissolving in the water.
So basically, what Thanos did in Infinity War,
Yeah.
he snapped and made everyone disappear. That's what's happening to them.
नहीं मैं देखा नहीं है लास्ट एवेंजर्स तो. Thanks for that.
Guys, if you want to flame him for it, I'm all with you. I'm judging him right.
Non-conformist ना.
I'm judging him right.
रुकने का ऐसा 10 साल के
नहीं
बाद.
नहीं the Infinity War was
Game of Thrones
amazing.
भी 10 साल के बाद.
MCU has been a part of my life since like
MCU क्या है?
I think I'm having like you know second thoughts about this podcast now.
Nah,
to be fair.
you're gonna find a new person in the next episode.
Yeah. I think Z is gonna go away.
Why आएगा या तो
But
A
Dark
आएगा.
Roast without Z is not fun. So
Oh.
I'm so
Now
happy
make out.
for- Oh my gosh. I mean, it is kind of legal now, so.
Yeah. Cue
No,
the
no,
jazz.
But to be fair, no. But to be fair, like.
Should have been better than a cheater friend. Wasted a chance that I've been given. Okay.
After that sad singing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God.
He's the better singer of the two. I'm sure you can tell.
I'll die hearing
Without
that
him
to
even
be fair.
singing. But I'm getting impatient. So I'm going to open the lid and see. Oh my God! It's ready. Woo! That was fast. Okay, that was no wait. Little is left. Little is left. So we shut it.
My God.
It's gone back. I think probably another 60 seconds or so.
I mean, I can wait.
ये
for
तुम लोग ने
6
बनाया
seconds.
कि नहीं कॉफी?
हाँ रे ये मतलब हम लोग
Make
हम
ना.
लोग पी रहे हैं या तुम लोग भी पी रहे
अच्छा
हो?
by the way, it's okay if you make tea, okay? Like
Yeah,
चाय
no,
भी
we won't
चलेगा.
judge you for tea either.
अच्छा
Like,
हमको
you know,
दिख
you
नहीं
can-
रहा है, but
You can like your tea.
you can like your tea.
You can have water as well.
हाँ मतलब if you want to
I'm
have
not
green
judging.
tea also, it's fine, yeah, guys. Just थोड़ा
Either
like
way, we are also having bean water, right?
bean water. हाँ, which is like you know. So let me like try to highlight something to you. Okay, this was a thought I was having today. कि actually we've seen like an entire reverse movement happen. So back when coffee was being grown initially, people did it on a very small scale.
Right.
Everything was conscious, quality was conscious, roasting was conscious. So in a way,
We've moved
first
back
wave
towards
coffee was already third wave
third
coffee.
wave coffee.
Right? It just didn't have Instagram and YouTube to document it. Matlab, it didn't have guys wearing
didn't
black
have the artsy
t-shirts
people,
with
doing all these
beards and
things.
aprons and those Harry Potter chashmas, his spectacles. I mean, again, like
They weren't you, basically, Z.
yeah. So the whole thing is that initially we already had third wave coffee, but then we went into this whole massifying coffee and like making it all corporation.
Yeah.
And now we're just like, you know what? No, we're not. Like just imagine, like it's just the case with how you had genetically modified crops, right?
Yeah,
Like
GMO has
initially-
become really big.
Initially,
like, in the
everything was organic.
last few years.
Let's
Yeah,
say
yeah,
before
yeah.
the 60s and the
And
50s.
we're getting back to it again. I think even in the crops, we are getting back from
Right.
GMO to being like, oh, it should be organic.
So,
it shouldn't
bro,
be like altered.
So in a way, third wave is really just going back to the roots. It's just that now we
Though,
have a
to be fair, genetically modified also isn't technically like in the way some people are doing the crossbreeding and all to try out like better plants to come out and all. It's not particularly bad per se. It's only bad when people start adding the substances and the wrong.
yeah.
additives
I
and
think
all
the
these
jury
things
is still
and-
out on that, and I'm not
Yeah.
like well read
I
enough
mean,
to
even I'm
comment
not
on
well
it.
read enough to.
I just know that like
From what
sweet
I've
corn
read
sucks.
from
Regular
on
white
the top,
corn is
yeah,
best.
Like, yeah, like all those things, the additives aren't the best, but
Correct.
crossbreeding and all those other experiments that
Yeah.
they're doing to improve the plants.
So like
maybe
they
that's good.
freaking isolate the genome that's responsible for giving the crop the
Yeah.
character, and then they replicate it in labs, and like it's
yeah.
it's great for scaling up production. Okay, get this, another random factoid. Okay, with the way the population is growing, we are going to need so much food that we'll have to grow more food in the next 7 years that we've grown more in the past
Like,
200, 300 years.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine we're going to need more
But
food
we
than
are
that?
like we've grown in the number of people,
Fuck
man.
yeah,
By that
like,
much.
guys,
It's
stop
crazy.
producing babies, man. Like, what is up with the world? Like, okay, no, we don't want to go there, but even if you have kids, make sure they have third
maybe
wave coffee.
Thanos was right. No, jokes aside.
Make sure they have third
But
wave
jokes
coffee.
aside, but like yeah,
नहीं,
I
नहीं,
think
सबका
it's
अपना choice है, but
yeah.
basically what I'm trying to say is third wave coffee is great. It's
Yeah.
it's very conscious. It's trying to help everybody in the entire supply chain. I hope they are as genuine, because even second wave coffee makers made the claims of fair trade and everything.
No, so I feel like the fact that these shops aren't everywhere. And,
they're owner driven.
They are owner driven.
Owner driven,
and
which
you
makes
see,
a difference.
You see the love that even the people that are working in those shops
Yeah.
have towards the craft of making coffee.
Okay.
And to the
But hypothetically,
like-
tomorrow if they open up many more branches, they'll end up becoming.
You can make that argument, but then that the jury's still out on that as well.
Yeah,
Right?
because
You never,
third wave isn't become that big
for
yet.
the time being, at the very least, you can see these small coffee shops coming up. They're very cozy. They're very nice to
Yeah.
move to, and you can truly sense the essence of coffee there if you really do appreciate that particular
True.
choice of beverage. Which now we finally get the opportunity to try out.
Yes, because the coffee's ready.
Yes.
And I'm going to pour out. So I'm just holding it like very poise and niche, and like just you pour it out in a circular manner. Sort of like let the flavors. If you can hear like the. Yeah.
So basically, yeah.
So the coffee, if you see, is very ambery golden. It's not black like your darker roasts.
Yeah, this
It's
seems
not
a really
like
light
instant
colored
coffee.
as compared to the usual like black coffee.
You
would see
you
out
want to
there.
like bubble it up nicely, let the flavors all froth up, and it's got. I mean, if you look at the color is almost. I mean, it's weird to say, but it's got like a black tea kind of color. It's got this
Yeah, you're
rosy,
not wrong about that.
rosy
It really does
golden.
have that.
Yeah.
It's really gold for sure. It's golden.
Yeah.
And it does have like a, you know what? It has a very reddish tinge to it. A gold. As actually a good example being the whole rose gold thing that you
Yeah,
talked about, right?
correct.
Like it does have that kind of a tinge to it, and I wonder what it tastes like.
Yeah, okay, so the one thing that people recommend that a lot of baristas have told me is that you slurp the coffee.
Oh, okay.
You don't sip it like you are a polite son of a gun.
You
Trying to
slurp
impress.
it.
You go like. And that
That felt so interesting to
that
do.
splatters the coffee on the inside and sort of releases the flavors better. I know I sound pretty lame, but yeah, that's what they told me
Wow.
to do.
So this isn't. And
let's
again,
let's
this
take this dude's view on.
So here's just having the first sip. Again, as I've been saying this in the beginning, that cinnamon is really strong. The first thing
Yeah.
that really hits you is the cinnamon. It's not, and the coffee is not bitter.
The
Genuinely,
synonym or the cinnamon?
synonym?
Do you say synonym?
Synonym. It's the synonym. No, cinnamon is not bitter at all. But and this is the first time I feel like coffee that is this light,
Hmm.
because the one I was talking about, the strawberry and dark
Yeah.
truffle thing, that was still a really dark
Darker,
coffee.
yeah.
I could feel it had its dark tones. This one is comparatively lighter
Hmm.
in that manner.
God, I'm loving this, man. It has this delightful nuttiness to it. Like, it's almost like there is some sort of hazelnut in this. Like, there is this almond marzipan kind of thing going on. Dude's pretty bang on when he says that it's light. It's extremely light. I kid you not, I really don't need any kind of sweetener in
Oh, I
this.
just had a moment with this coffee, man.
See?
I took a second sip and I was like,
This coffee is zen. I really like it. I think if I was given this coffee in a blind test, I would be able to pick this up as a finer, more conscious coffee.
I would. So one of the things I really want to do is try out all the different types of coffees in their like base forms.
Yeah.
And be able to see what the true differences are
Correct.
between these. I mean, that is a long thing to do, and I know that I'm lazy enough to not do it.
No, I'll make him do it. I'll make him do it.
But it does sound like an interesting thing to do and something fun to just go about and try it out.
Like, it's just great. I mean, slight bit of bitterness on the palate.
Yeah,
Mostly
like
just.
but it doesn't really
But
hit you.
yeah, it's just enough to sort of enhance this sort of the sweet nuances. It's got that nuttiness. It's got like a predominant tasting note of cinnamon up top, but there is a very slight orange rind. Okay, get this. It's not orange the fruit, but the covering skin of
Oh, you mean like the zest?
the
that
lemon
we
of the
call-
lemon
oh, yeah,
fruit
yeah,
or
yeah.
the orange fruit. If you sort of grate it, so I also bake and I use that in baking. You just take
Yeah.
the orange or the citrus fruit and you
That's what you
grate.
call zesting, right?
Yes.
Like, yeah.
So it has that zest combined with the cinnamon. To be very honest, I don't get the rum.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Very honest.
Now this time I did it to you.
You did to
It's
me.
been done enough now.
I don't get the rum, but
Yeah, I can't
Yeah.
taste the rum here. That's something that I think is missing.
but this would be a great cup of coffee. I could just imagine, like, just paint you a picture. Just imagine you're somewhere in the hills and you're snowed in. You can't go out. You're in a wooden house, beautiful wooden house, and there is a huge double sofa in front of the fireplace. There's a cackling fire going on, and
Crackling.
cackling, like that's the sound of that.
Oh, I thought crackling would be the wouldn't isn't it called crackling?
I don't know. You guys tell me.
I just destroyed the whole thing for you guys.
Tell me the whole thing, right? So just nice fire going on, okay? Logs of wood, and you have a chimney, and then you have this fire going on, and you have this beautiful coffee in your hand, and you sort of have this loved one sitting beside you, or a great friend, or like a furry doggy or a catty, and you're just sitting and having
Yeah.
this great cup of coffee, which is it's more like a story in a
I
cup.
mean, being single isn't wrong, dude.
Yeah, it's
like
not.
you just had to say loud one, didn't you? It hit me in the heart.
So yeah, you're snowed in, and this is like a story in a cup. You just sit in there inside a rug or a blanket, and you have both your hands around the cup, and all you
Oh,
can do
yeah.
is just really
Like, it
sniff
really
this and just have it. It's beautiful.
It's a really nice experience to have
Yeah.
on your own, and definitely like if you guys do get the chance to ever go to a coffee shop nearby, or have like any of these third wave coffee places, or even if you get the opportunity to get some coffee to your own house.
Yeah, and you know what?
Brew it at your own place,
Yeah.
and have and
Not
be-
brew the brand, but brew the activity.
Yeah, brew the activity, not the brand. But like be able to make that coffee and take a moment for yourself, taste it, close
Yeah.
your eyes, and take that experience.
Do
in.
that.
It really is something I think you guys will appreciate for sure.
And you know what? Even if you're like a little broke and you want to try all these coffees and it's like intimidating and expensive, that's fine.
Yeah.
Just hit me up and I'll make you a small sample and I'll send
I
it over
think
to you.
so. One of the biggest things we want to hear from you guys is like your feedback, whether it be about mental health or whether it be about coffee or
Yeah.
and what do you guys think about the way we've been conducting these podcasts. This is just the second one, so we are still learning and we are on our way towards improving ourselves, learning more and more about how to make a podcast, how to make it interesting, and I hope we are able to create that friendly atmosphere amongst each other.
Because it's just three friends, right?
Yeah,
like
we just
me, him,
talking.
and you.
Yeah,
We're just like talking. We just
and we just wanted to create an atmosphere where we could just discuss and have a nice chat about anything.
Anything.
And in this matter today was coffee.
Topic bahana hai guys. It's just about like coming out and really talking. मतलब बस बात
just
करना
enjoying
है.
a cup, right?
Just enjoying a cup.
Over a cup.
कुछ भी होते हैं उसके अंदर.
And I mean I hope like we get to hear it from whoever is listening.
Yeah.
We would love to
do
hear
that.
from you
And
guys. And you can follow us, the Sheeples, on
Sheeples. We are on Twitter and Instagram.
Twitter, and we are thinking of making a Reddit subreddit basically.
What do you think? Do you think Reddit works? Do you think Reddit has?
I mean, I think we'd be able to interact a lot on subreddits, right?
Yeah.
It would be a good idea to go there.
क्योंकि subreddit use करते हैं.
हाँ, क्योंकि subreddit use करते हैं.
Hit the button. No, but seriously, like if you want to taste this and you think that it's a little too expensive or you don't want to spend or whatever, just hit me up. I'll make you a small sample enough to have like for one coffee cup, and I'll just ship it to you. We'll figure it out. I'm always happy to share.
I think we would love to
just
hear from you guys, and we even have an email if you ever really do want to get in contact.
Oh yeah, you want to do the old-fashioned chitti?
Yeah,
electronic chitti.
Electronic chitti भेज सकते हो. You can find us on
sheeplepeople098.
Yeah, sheeplepeople098. That's what our email address is. You will find our links down below on whatever platforms we are on. So I hope you guys liked it. I think this is us signing off at the moment.
Yeah, Z out.
And well, goodbye from the dark roast, guys. But it was nice having a chat, and see you guys for the next one.